Well, here's the garden. Let's go have a look. You guys ready to go have a look at the garden? Poopers. Yeah? Well, let's go. Well, the bed off the deck is doing superbly. Peppers throughout, cucamelons up on the trellis, and one ginormous sunflower. He's about 13 feet right now. Yarsh. Looks like we gotta do some harvesting in here. Starting to turn red. Well, we finally got some cucumbers, other than the pickling cucumbers. These are the straight 8s, and I'm happy to see those. Another one down there. Happy to see those. I wasn't sure I was going to get any this year. Very nice. Poopers, get out of there. What are you doing? Go on, out you go. Out you go. Kale is still here, still going strong. I have fallen behind on the tomatillos. They just keep producing. Keep producing. They are everywhere. These two zucchini plants are nearing the end of their life. They have produced many zucchinis. They're starting to get the powdery mildew real bad. I just picked the last one off from that. This one, oh no, there's another one coming. A couple more actually. So that's good to know. Very nice. The sweet potatoes are doing great. Remember, I'm going to be doing a comparison once the harvest is ready to go between the straw bale here and the raised bed here. So that should be fun. That should be fun. And we've got these two zucchini plants in this bed, as well as the pickling cucumbers. And this one is really starting to produce. This one over here, I just took a couple off this the other day. It's got more coming. If you want a continuous harvest of zucchini or whatever, you know, just plant some more plants, you know, 2, 3, 4 weeks apart, and you'll be good to go. Because when your zucchini plants die out, like the two over there, you've got backups. Yeah, buddy. Pickling cucumbers. We just harvested 4 or 5 off from this. So these are doing really well. Acorn squash. It's really starting to get that powdery mildew again, but you know, it's that time of year. Still got some nice acorn squash ready to be harvested there. The 2 acorn squash on the poles by the entrance. You know, again, succession planting. So I got a couple of new ones coming on here, as well as a couple of new ones, acorn squash, coming on here. Nice. The yellow crookneck, I thought it was done, but it's starting to produce more. So I will take that. Yes, sir. And we have the melons. Melons are doing good. Doing good. This guy. Ain't no getting him out. I'm gonna have to cut him out. This one I think is ready to go. This guy, when this tendril dries up, that usually means they're ready to be harvested. So we'll look into that a little further. This one's all dried up too. He's a little smaller, but okra. The okra, the okra, the okra. Yeah, we have okra to harvest. Lots of okra. Well, not lots, because I've harvested just the other day. But there's more on there ready to go. Peppers are doing really good. Really, really good. I thought this green pepper plant was done. Bell peppers, but she's starting to put on more. And these pepper plants will go right up till your first freeze, or your first frost. Bunch of jalapeno. Bunch of cayenne in there. Tabasco are starting to come on. This bed over here is doing good. We've got the ground cherries, tomatillo, and I got some Swiss chard in there. Those are all doing well. Here I've got the new pickling cucumbers. I just made this little trellis for them, just out of some fallen branches. But they're starting to grab on. Starting to grab on there and make their way up that trellis. I planted a couple of bean plants, bush beans, about 3 weeks ago. That little guy, I don't know if he's going to make it, but this guy, they're starting to grow quite nicely. So hoping to get some last second green beans out of those. I did plant some spinach also in here in between, and the green beans on the trellis, they're doing really well. Not sure if you can see all those green beans, but we are loaded with green beans. Oh yeah, look at this. I got my first red noodle bean. Nice. Down in here I planted some 2 different kinds of spinach. The tomatoes are doing really good. I mean, they're coming to the end of their life. Getting a lot of blight, a lot of yellowing of the leaves, as you can see, but that's to be expected. It's that time of year. It's late August. Football season's just around the corner. I can't wait to watch my wonderful Detroit Lions. Hopefully they don't stink it up again this year. And here's the tomato plants all cleaned up. Gave them a little haircut. Nice. Can't be more happy with the cherry tomatoes. They do well every single year. Every single year. Well, the tomato plants are getting ready to die out, and I'm going to be taking these out of here soon. So a week or so ago, I went ahead and along the bottom of the cattle panel here, I put in some peas, some sugar snaps, as you can see right there. And they're sprouting, and that should give me a nice use of this trellis for a spring garden. Also did it on this side all the way down, as well as right here on the edge here. I went ahead and put in some spinach as well. I did the same thing actually over here on each one of these posts. I put in some sugar snap peas on each post, and then along the border here, some more spinach. I did that several days later, so they haven't quite germinated yet. But that's a nice way to start a fall garden while your summer garden is still up and going. The pumpkin patch is still growing strong. Look what we got here. Oh, that's a new pumpkin. That's a new pumpkin. That guy. This guy, he's the first one to go orange. Right there. We got some butternut squash. Oh, look at this one. Mammoth. How's the State Fair winner doing? Let me see. Yeah, he's getting bigger. Definitely getting bigger. And we've got another one right up there. That's about softball size. And a different plant, different vine. And more trombone squash. Poopers, how'd you get in there? How'd you get in there? It's fenced up all the way around. Hey. What, you got some friends who are moles? Oh, you don't remember how you got in, huh? Poopers. Look at you. Are you the one taking bites out of my squash? Poopers. Look at me when I'm talking to you. Hey, look at me when I'm talking to you. I've got plenty to share, buddy. The separate squash garden is doing well. And the other State Fair winner over here, yeah, he's getting big. He's getting big. The 3 zucchini plants that I planted out here several weeks ago are starting to take root really nice. They're getting bigger. Should give me several zucchinis before the first frost, as well as this pickling cucumber plant. It's starting to set fruit already. That's all good. Hey, poopers. Another one over here. I could harvest that, but we're gonna wait a couple more days, I think. What are you rascals doing? Duke, you're making a rare appearance. Looks like you've been digging into something with your face, buddy. What's up with your face? What'd you get into? What'd you get into? What the? Ah, poopers, you're so jealous. So jealous. All right. All right. All right, thanks for joining me this week, guys. We'll catch you later. Bye. Hey, we'd love to hear from you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, everybody. Bye.